So you have already taken the step up and gone into Growth Club. So tell me in your words what it is about the community. You did mention a little bit, but how it's actually helped you to stretch and achieve your goals faster.
It's probably more about actually having somebody to bounce ideas off more than anything else, and having a trusted advisor that I can actually be truly honest about my mindset and where I'm at and what I'm actually, the challenges that I'm facing. And a lot of my challenges are actually me, because I'm not necessarily thinking of things differently. So Ed with the Growth Club has really challenged that, but in a way that I haven't negatively responded to. So I'm that kind of person that a fitness instructor telling me go, 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 go doesn't work for me. I need somebody who can actually understand why I'm resistant to what I'm resistant to and help me overcome that. And that's exactly what the Growth Club's been able to do.
No one wants to be beasted, do they?
Yeah. So it's been a really good opportunity for me to be held more accountable, but also just to think differently about my business, and really open myself up to more opportunity.
And you've shared something with me privately, but I think you're okay with me sharing. And your exact words were, the accountability is amazing, but the insights and coaching from Ed and the other members makes me a better business owner as well as a better person, to be honest.
Yeah, so I think it's not just necessarily, business is my life as well as my life is my business, as much as my family. So being able to have other people that are in the similar situations, but then also have Ed and the team actively ask, well, where were your break days? Where were your days that you took off? And actually making me accountable for that as well has really made me be able to balance better than I have ever done before.